Good morning, students. I hope you all are very fine. And today I am going to start The Midnight Visitor, a chapter from Supplementary Reader, and the author is R. Arthur. Okay, now see introduction to the lesson. Ausable, a secret agent, is expecting a very important report. Another secret agent, Max, threatens him with a pistol. Now see two characters right now we are seeing here. One agent is Ausable and second one is Max, who threatens him with a pistol, demanding report. Does Ausable outwit him? Outwit means to overcome someone. The story is about a secret agent, Ausable, who has spent an evening with the writer named Fowler, who had expected that he would be meeting a secret agent. He would be looking into a lot of adventure. Okay, while meeting Ausable, the author is feeling that he is very adventure, but instead he rather gets bored when he meets Ausable. When the author meets Ausable, he get very bored. Why? As the things that happened exactly the opposite of what he had imagined. It is because the things he imagined were totally opposite. It means he was thinking Ausable is very smart, very intelligent secret agent, but now he was disappointed. How Ausable get rid of his expected guest proves his expertise as a secret agent. Now see, we are going to see the chapter how he get rid of his expectations. Now see, about the author. Robert J. Arthur Jr., November 10, 1909 to May 2nd, 1969, was a writer, speculative fiction, known for his work with Mysterious Traveler radio series and for writing The Three Investigators, a series of young adult novels. Arthur was honored twice by the Mystery Writers of America with an Edgar Award for the best radio drama, as he also wrote scripts for television such as The 12th Zone and Alfred Hitchcock's TV show. Okay, this is about the writer or author. Now see, The Midnight's Visitor summary. The story is about a witty secret agent named Ausable. He was with the writer named Fowler throughout the evening, as Fowler was interested in spending time with the secret agent. Fowler was very interested in spending time with a secret agent. But when he spends time with Ausable, he realizes that he is exactly the opposite of what he had imagined. But sometimes you also come to know this type of incident, है ना? For example, if someone is coming to you, for example, your new friend, your new classmate is coming to you, and you people, your teachers told you he is very intelligent, he is a very smart boy, and when he comes and you people welcome him nicely, but he was not like that you have already told. जैसा उसके बारे में आप लोगों को बताया गया है, अगर वो वैसा नहीं है तो क्या होगा? You may also say the things are going or the things are happening as far below our expectation. Okay, now see, the things are exactly opposite of what he had imagined, and that he was a bore. Ausable then told Fowler that he had been thinking wrong and that Soon he would be looking at a report that would change the country's future. Then Ausable takes Flower to his room, and when they entered the room, a guy with a gun named Max was standing in the room. Then Ausable takes Fowler to his room. Okay. And when they entered the room, the guy with a gun, there was a person with a gun. His name was Max, was standing in the room. He asked them to be comfortable until he reports about missiles arrived in 30 minutes, as he was there to steal the reports. Okay, his missiles were coming within 30 minutes and he was there to steal, S-T-E-A-L, steal means chori karna, to steal the reports. This was the first adventure out of many that Fowler had expected when he had thought of meeting the secret agent. While they were talking, Ausable started with a story about how a guy had entered from the balcony last month below his room. While this talk was going on, a sudden knock was heard at the door. This type of talk was going on. Ausable said to the writer that I had seen this guy at my balcony before also. Ausable said that it must be the police, as he wanted them to check on him after some time, because he wanted to make the reports that were coming in extra secure. Max pointing his gun towards them. Now what Ausable thought that might be police are there, because they wanted these secrets of Max. Now what Max is doing? Max is pointing his gun. Max pointing his gun towards them said that he would be waiting in the balcony and that Ausable should send away the police, otherwise he would shoot them and even take the risk of being caught by the police. As the doorknob is turned, Max jumps out of the window and a loud scream is heard. The door opens and the waiter comes in and says that he has brought a wine that Mr. Ausable had ordered. He keeps the bottle, tray and glasses on the table and leaves. Fowler is surprised and asks him about the police, to which Ausable replied that there was no police. Then Fowler asked what about the person who was waiting in the balcony outside the window, which Ausable replied that the person would not return and that there was no balcony there. This shows the quick wit of Ausable, as he took advantage of the situation and make Max nervous, due to which he jumped out of the window without thinking and looking down. Now see what happened. See these lines again. Then Fowler asked what about the person who was waiting in the balcony outside the window, to which Ausable replied that the person would not return and that there was no balcony there. This shows the quick wit of Ausable, as he took advantage of the situation and made Max nervous, due to which he jumped out of the window without thinking and looking down. He had jumped from the top floor of the hotel and he would have possibly died. He never see the back. He jumped and possibly he would die. This is how Ausable outwitted Max and saved himself from a very dangerous situation. And now you people don't worry, I will send you the supporting video also. Somewhere the story is complicated to understand, but whenever I will send you ready-made videos, it will be very easy for you. Okay, and I will also send you the meanings whenever I will got the proper chapters, that material. Okay, so take care of you.